Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix we couldn't verify that this account belongs to you. When you face this kind of error on Cash App, then how you can fix that. First of all, you have to simply close this tab, and after that what you have to do, first of all you have to understand why this error occurred. This error occurred when you try to log in your account on multiple devices. So how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply log out your Cash App account from all other devices, so that you can simply use your Cash App on only one device. And after that, if the problem is still there, what you have to do, you have to simply, if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and you have to simply offload the app. And if you are using Android, then what you have to do, you have to simply, first of all, you have to force stop the app, and after that you have to click on clear storage and cache, and you have to simply clear the cache. And after that, what you have to do, your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can simply uninstall the Cash App, and after uninstalling the Cash App, you have to simply again install the Cash App. And after that, you have to check whether it is you have an updated version of the Cash App or not. For this, you have to go to App Store if you are using iPhone or iOS device, and go to Play Store if you are using Android device, and you have to simply search for the Cash App, and you have to simply update your app if it is showing any kind of update. And after that, the next step you have to do is you have to check your network connection. For this, you have to simply reset your network connection if you are using iPhone or iOS device. And if you're using Android device, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode, and after that you have to simply turn off the airplane mode, and in this way your network connection will be reset. And after that, you can check whether your Cash App is working properly or not. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.